Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to add a hotspot button in the control center on iPhone iOS 18. So let's get started. We'll add a personal hotspot button directly to the control center. First, swipe down from the top right corner to open the control center. Long press on any space in the control center until it enters editing mode. Here, we can add or remove controls. Tap the option at the bottom that says Add Control. A new menu will open, and from here, you can either swipe to find the hotspot option or use the search bar at the top by typing hotspot or personal hotspot. Once you find it, tap on it to add it to your control center. You can now drag and drop it wherever you like. You can also use the little hook to adjust the button size, make it bigger or smaller as needed. Once you're happy with its placement, tap anywhere to save your changes. Now, whenever you open the control center, you'll see the hotspot button, making it quicker to enable or disable your hotspot. That's it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.